Howdy, in this video I'm going to talk about angel numbers. Angel numbers are repeated numbers, and it was popular in the early 2000s, or was brought about by an author named Doreen Virtue. One place you can find angel numbers is on serial numbers on bills. Okay, so this one is 3 zeros, and 0 is typically associated with new opportunities. So you might be at the beginning of a new cycle, says the author, and you shouldn't be afraid to make big, bold decisions at this point in your journey. So 3 zeros. Next one is 3 ones. It's a manifestation figure. If you encounter one as an angel number, relish the opportunity to make a wish, set an intention, or plant a seed. And what I'm referencing, there's an article on allure.com, and I'm taking some stuff from there. So I'll leave a link in the description to give you more information about that. So 3 twos. They suggest balance and alignment. Seeing twos could indicate that it's an excellent time to reach out to your most trusted companion to see if divine collaboration is possible. How about that? Okay, 3 threes could be an indication of magnetic creativity. The presence of 3 indicates that by leaning into your innate gifts, you might find more value and abundance in whatever circumstances you're navigating. 3 fours. This is indicative of stabilization. When you see 4 fours or 3 fours, you might not be afraid to ask for assistance, especially if you're navigating long-term projects that require specific expertise. Stabilization. 3 fives. This suggests that there might be major changes on the horizon. And 3 sixes. 3 sixes can have a supportive, compassionate, or empathetic nature. Things may not always go according to plan, but with angel number 6 on your side, you can now choose how you want to interpret a situation. 3 sevens. This is as lucky an angel number as it is in the casino. How about that? New monetary opportunities may arise. Short-term gigs may become lucrative. And consistent income streams could happen. 3 eights. This is one of the most divine numbers in numerology. Fundamentally, 8 is a symbol of infinity. So the infinity, if you put it on its side, that's the mathematical symbol for infinity. It is like a sideways 8. And finally, 3 nines. Three nines could indicate that a chapter in your life is coming to an end. So, like with every end, there's a new beginning. So this is not necessarily something to be feared, but something to wrap up what you have going on and prepare for the next great adventure. So these are angel numbers. They're fairly easy to find. I find 1 or 2 of them in a pack of 50 bills, and I can link to one of the recent serial hunts that I have, and it'll have a few angel numbers in there. So those are angel numbers. Enjoy the hunt and find cool cereals.